Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Renick here to take you through this week's market action. The Nasdaq surged 3.3%, hit new all-time highs alongside the S&P and Dow Jones. S&P 500 gained 1%, but the Dow still closed down more than 0.5% despite the record. The Russell shed about 1%, as small caps lagged behind. Sector-wise, consumer discretionary, communications, and tech were all up there. More than a 3% rally in tech and discretionary, hitting almost 6%. These three sectors clearly pointing towards the Magnificent Seven performance. On the flip side, energy was down. Crude oil at the low end of the range, not helping at all. Utilities also lost some. Let's look at some names behind the big sector moves. Palantir, once again, a huge week, ripped close to 14% to an all-time high. The company is going to partner with Booz Allen Hamilton to support U.S. military defense missions, with the effort aiming to improve information infrastructure and integrated warfighting operations. The company also got FedRAMP high authorization for its federal cloud service platforms. The government initiative adopts selected cloud services to standardize security and risk assessment, and the market loved it. Lululemon surged to a 9-month high Friday after reporting an earnings beat and raising full-year guidance. Revenues were up 9% annually, and international sales grew 33%, supported by strong sales in China. Over a dozen analysts raised price targets on the stock after its report. And software flexed its muscles throughout a very strong week in earnings. Rubrik reached an all-time high Friday, posting a 42% revenue climb from a year ago. Subscriptions, annualized recurring revenue grew 38%. The data security company's CEO says our strong growth at scale shows we're winning the cyber resilience market. It wasn't the only winner in the sector. Salesforce had a great week with strong earnings, also hit an all-time high, and a long list of winners in the category. Next week, we'll get more from that group. Oracle and then Broadcom are on deck. Also, C3 AI for the consumer trade. Costco reports. We'll get earnings from AutoZone, Ciena, and Ollie's in the morning. Macy's reports its delayed earnings on Wednesday. And on the economic calendar, CPI, PPI, and jobless claims. That'll do it for The Wrap.